Hey guys, it's Mary, and I have the February Everything kit from Spellbinders to share with you today. I just started getting the kit last month, and so far I'm really liking it. So let's get right into it, okay? All right, so the first thing is the clear stamp of the month, and it also is part of the stamp and die of the month, so it has the dies for this. But okay, seriously, how cute is this little guy right here? I am absolutely in love with him. I mean, they're all cute. Look at that face. But this little one is just so cute, and I cannot wait to use it for my Easter cards. Some of them are going to get a fast one, and some of them are going to get, some people are going to get more detailed because these are just too cute not to use. So that's the stamp and die. And then the stitch die of the month is actually cute. It's got a pocket. It's got flowers, which I guess you could be a pocket full of posies. And happy birthday. So it is cute, and I will use it, but you know what I've said before. The odds of me sewing are slim to none. So, but I think it's still cute. Oh, and this one says Happy Spring. And then we've got the small die of the month, and it's called Floral Mini Tiles. And I mean, it's cute. I just, little pieces in me. Ugh, I don't know. But it is cute, but not quite my style, but I will give it a try. It's got the little hexagons, the little flowers. It's a little too busy for me, but I'm sure I could do something with it that doesn't include using all of it. And then we've got the large die of the month, which is very pretty. And it is called Spring Reflection. It says, hello, spring, thank you. Happy Easter. I think about that one. More flowers, little pieces. At least all the little pieces, they have all joined together. So you only have to cut ones. But these are real pretty, and I just think it's very nice. And you can use these for a gatefold card super easily. So, all right, so that's the large die. Then we've got the glimmer of the month, and I'm turning it this way so that you could see it, because it's absolutely gorgeous. It is tulips, and it says hope blooms, and then sending flowers and a smile. It is just so pretty. Look how pretty that is. So I'm anxious to give that one a try. Then we've got the regular embossing folder of the month, and it's called Hydrangea Blooms. It's probably going to be really hard for you to see, so I'll turn it this way. This is what it looks like. Little leaves, and then the little hydrangea flowers. And then the 3D embossing folder is called Spring Burst, and it's just all kinds of different flowers and leaves. It almost has like a 60s feel to it, because I feel like the way this leaf goes is almost like a paisley to it, so, but very pretty. And then the card kit of the month is called Spring Delight. And let's give this a look. I see green glitter. Spring paper, spring colors. Wait, we're stuck. There we go. All right, cards and envelopes. And then we've got the instructions or just ideas. So they've got bunnies, looks like it's got a house, lots of flowers, lots of vegetables, all the things that you would think about when you think of spring. So these are cute, like a 3D words. Cute. I love these green sequins. They're kind of see-through, like transparent, but they're very, very pretty. And let's see what this is. So this is stickers, and there's several sheets in here. Birthday cakes, flowers, love this day. There's a goose, a kitty cat, bees, ladybugs, just all kinds of little things, pancakes. Oh, these are cute. Little dimensional, happy birthday, celebrate you, a whole lot of happy, have a sunny day. Days like these, bloom with grace. Cute little owl and bunny and a goose. Let's see what the paper looks like. So let me know in comments if you do any of Spellbinders clubs, not just the everything, but they've got everything that you can do that I'm showing you can be in, is a separate club also. So very springy. Oh, that's cute, the alphabet. These are just paper, one-sided. Oh, the ice cream. Oh, my paper got bent. Well, I'm sad about that. Oh, there's more. Okay. Cute coffee. Pinwheels. So that's the paper. And then cardstock panels, glue tape, and glue dots. You know, the nice thing about these is that you could, like I'm going on a cruise. I could just take a kit and make a whole bunch of cards, and it's got everything I need. You know, to make all these cards. I don't need anything more, so. And then these are just the die cuts, flowers, umbrellas, butterflies, house. I won't open them up because if I open them up, then it's hard for me to get them back in. They never seem to go in the way it should be. So, pardon my voice because I've just had allergies and the wind is just horrible today. Just so windy, it's crazy, and it just makes it even worse. Oh, and I forgot, and the glimmer plate always comes with a roll of glimmer foil, and this one is called Magenta. So, all right, so that's it. So like I said, let me know in comments if you get the any of the kits and how you like them. I will make sure that when I use that little bunny, I do a video because he is just so cute. So that's it. So thanks for taking the time to stop by. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you've thought about it, you can hit that subscribe button. And also the bell, if you hit that, it will send you notifications. There's also a like button if you don't mind hitting that. That means a lot. I would appreciate that if you like the video. And that's it. Leave me a comment. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.